Imagine it's January 1st, 2026. The world is waking up to a new year, full of possibility. But for me, everything I've built online has vanished overnight. All my online platforms, YouTube, email list, courses, audience, are gone. Every follower, every subscriber, every digital asset I once relied on has disappeared, as if I never existed online at all. I'm back at square one with just a laptop, a blank notebook, and an internet connection. No fancy equipment, no secret resources, just the basics. No audience, no clients, no momentum. It's just me, facing the same uncertainty and blank slate that every beginner faces. It sounds daunting, but honestly, I feel clear-headed. There's a strange freedom in starting over. No baggage, no expectations, just pure potential. Why? Because the principles of building something meaningful online are timeless. The tools may change, but the fundamentals never do. You don't need a head start. You don't need to be first or loudest or have the fanciest branding. What matters is how you show up day after day. This is for anyone at the starting line, coaches, freelancers, creators, staring at a blank page, feeling the pressure. Maybe you're doubting yourself, wondering if you have what it takes. You see others with huge followings and feel the gap is impossible to cross. It's easy to compare your beginning to someone else's middle and feel discouraged. The temptation is to chase every trend, try every hack, and burn out. The noise online is deafening, everyone promising quick wins and viral growth. My plan is the opposite. No shortcuts, no overnight success promises. I'm not interested in empty hustle or chasing vanity metrics. It's about building a solid, sustainable business from the ground up, focused on long-term success. I want to create something that lasts, not just something that trends for a week. The biggest mistake? Trying to do everything at once. Building a fancy website, mastering every platform, launching products with no audience. It's overwhelming, and it leads to frustration and exhaustion. That's a recipe for burnout. You end up spinning your wheels, feeling busy, but not actually making progress. My 2026 plan is radically simple. Small, repeatable actions that create real connections and deliver genuine value. Consistency beats intensity every time. Be useful, not just busy. Focus on helping real people solve real problems, one step at a time. If you're overwhelmed or stuck, this plan is for you. You don't need to have it all figured out, you just need a clear path forward. We'll ignore the noise and focus on a calm, methodical approach. Clarity, systems, and human connection. It's about building habits and routines that support your growth, not sabotage it. Let's build a foundation strong enough to support your ambitions for years, without sacrificing your well-being. You deserve a business that fits your life, not the other way around. Here's my exact plan for starting over in 2026. It's simpler than you think, and it's designed to help you thrive, no matter where you're starting from. Before creating anything, I'd get clear on one thing, a specific outcome I can help a specific person achieve. Most people skip this and end up shouting into the void. True connection happens when you speak directly to someone's unique problem. Start with what you know and who you can help right now, something you've solved for yourself or a friend. Be specific, not fitness, but helping busy dads lose 10 pounds without giving up pizza. This clarity simplifies every decision: what content to make, where to find your audience, what language to use. Every piece of content becomes a direct answer to a real question. This focus protects you from shiny object syndrome and helps you build momentum. In the beginning, your energy is precious. Focus it on one person and one problem. With clarity, I wouldn't set outcome-based goals like, get 1,000 subscribers. Those are outside your control. Instead, I'd focus on building systems, repeatable processes you control. For example, publish one helpful YouTube video every week. The outcome, subscribers, follows from the system. This shift grounds you in the present, not a distant future. Your job is to execute the system, not chase metrics. Systems create progress. Your content improves. Your understanding deepens. Your confidence grows. You fall in love with the process, not just the dream. If a video flops, it's not failure. You did your job. Learn, iterate, improve. Systems make the journey calmer and more sustainable. Success becomes a byproduct of consistent effort, not luck. Focus on the process, and progress is inevitable. That's how you build something that lasts. If you had to start from zero, what systems would you build to ensure your business or creative project could actually grow and last? It's easy to get overwhelmed by all the tools and tactics out there, but the truth is, you only need a few core systems to make real progress. Just 3. An idea system, a content system, and a conversation system. These are the backbone of sustainable growth, no matter your industry or goals. Anything more is often just a distraction or a way to avoid doing the real work. Simplicity is your friend here. Keep your system simple so you can show up consistently even when motivation is low or life gets busy. Let's break them down. First, the idea system. Capture every thought, question or observation about your audience's problems, needs, and desires. Inspiration can strike anywhere, so be ready. Use whatever works for you, a notebook, a notes app, or a digital tool like Notion. The key is to never let a good idea slip away. Second, the content system. Pick one platform where your audience already spends time. Don't try to be everywhere at once. Commit to a schedule you can actually maintain. Maybe that's one YouTube video a week or 2 blog posts a month. Your system should include every step: scripting, filming, editing, and publishing. Think of it as a production line that turns raw ideas into valuable content for your audience. The more you repeat this process, the smoother and faster it gets. Third, the conversation system. Commit to talking to real people every day. Send 5 personalized DMs or emails daily to people who engage with your content. Ask questions, start genuine conversations, and offer help, not a sales pitch. Focus on building relationships, not just transactions, or reach out in online communities and offer thoughtful advice. Be present where your audience gathers. This is how you become a trusted advisor. Someone people turn to for guidance and support, not just a faceless creator lost in the crowd. These conversations give you deep insights into what your audience truly cares about, and often lead to your first clients or collaborations. 3 simple systems. That's your engine for growth. Don't overcomplicate it. Consistency beats complexity every time. Start here, and momentum will follow. Creating content can feel overwhelming if you think you need to be a creative genius every time. The solution? Use simple, structured frameworks. Frameworks are like recipes. They make content creation predictable and repeatable. Try the problem, agitate, solve. PAS, formula. State the problem, agitate it, then offer your solution. Or use what, why, how, what you'll teach, why it matters, how to do it. Frameworks hook your audience and make your advice actionable. They don't make your content boring. Your stories and insights bring it to life. Frameworks free up your energy to focus on value, not format. This is how you create high-quality content consistently. Build a library of helpful assets, one structured piece at a time. Consistency, not perfection, is the goal. Content builds awareness, but real progress comes from one-to-one conversations, especially when you're starting out. It's easy to get caught up in creating posts and videos, but the real magic happens when you connect with someone directly. These first conversations are where trust is built, and where you truly begin to understand the needs of your audience. Your first followers and clients come from talking to people directly. It's not about broadcasting to the masses, but about building genuine relationships, one person at a time. Every interaction is a chance to make a real impact. Find your audience where they already ask questions: Facebook groups, online communities, and forums where people gather to share their challenges and seek advice. Reddit, YouTube comments, Twitter, these are gold mines for discovering what people really care about. Listen closely to the conversations happening there. Spot a problem you can solve, and give a thoughtful, detailed answer in public. Don't just drop a link, share your perspective, offer a tip, or tell a short story that shows you understand. Then, follow up with a direct message. I have a checklist for that. Want me to send it? This small gesture shows you care and are willing to go the extra mile. Offer help, not a pitch. Focus on being genuinely useful, not just selling your services. People can sense when you're authentic. Most people will be grateful. Even if they don't need your help right now, they'll remember your kindness and expertise. These conversations are your best market research. You'll hear real problems in real words from real people. You'll learn the language your audience uses, their fears and desires. This insight is priceless when it comes to shaping your message and your offer. Every conversation refines your understanding and your offer. Over time, you'll notice patterns and start to anticipate what people need most. After helping a few times, people will ask how to work with you. They'll see you as a trusted resource, not just another salesperson. You've earned the right to make an offer, because you've already proven your value. The relationship comes first. The business follows naturally. This is how you turn strangers into clients. It's a process built on trust, empathy, and real connection. Start with one conversation at a time. Each one is a step toward building a thriving, people-first business. As you help people, you'll notice you're solving the same problems repeatedly. That's a sign you have a proven process. Time to package it into a reusable asset. Don't start with a massive course. Make your first product small, specific, and useful. Turn your checklists, templates, or guides into a PDF, Notion template, or short workshop. These knowledge assets help more people in less time and boost your credibility. Give them away for free to build your email list, or charge a small fee to validate demand. A $20 template or $50 workshop is an easy yes for someone you've already helped. This is how you get your first paying customers and prove your concept. You're not trying to get rich, just building confidence and momentum. Package your knowledge and let it work for you. In 2026, AI is everywhere, but it's not a magic button for instant success. Using AI to churn out generic content won't connect with anyone. Think of AI as a smart, fast intern, not your replacement. You provide the strategy and insights. AI helps with specific tasks. For example, use AI to brainstorm headlines or organize messy notes into a logical flow. AI can speed up your workflow, but you're still in the driver's seat. Use structured prompts to get the most out of AI. Leverage AI for efficiency, not creativity. The real value comes from your unique perspective. The real secret to building momentum? Make it easy. Most people fail because they make things too hard, too many steps, too much friction. Simplify your systems. Use a basic notes app. Start with one video a week. Use templates and checklists. Make it easy for your audience too. Use simple language, ask clear questions. The easier you make it to act, the more likely you'll stick with it. Templates and frameworks reduce friction and help you start. Your job is to be the chief friction remover in your business. Remove obstacles for yourself and your audience. Consistency comes from ease, not willpower. Make it so easy you can't not do it. As we wrap up, remember, you don't need to sprint or sacrifice your well-being to succeed. My 2026 plan is about calm, sustainable growth. Small, deliberate steps, day after day. The people who win are the ones who show up consistently, not the most talented or lucky. Build systems you can sustain without burning out. Prioritize clarity, systems, and connection. Focus on helping one person with one problem. Build one simple content system and one conversation system. Make one person's life better, that's the whole game. Everything else, audience, clients, revenue, follows from that. Declare your focus publicly. It's a powerful first step. You don't need the whole plan, just the next step. Take that step today, and another tomorrow. The journey starts now. Let's get to it.